The Amazing Thailand Countdown 2026 at ICONSIAM, Thailand's global countdown landmark, a world-class destination of year-end. Experience this year like never before with first-ever spectacles. Step into the world beyond imagination with a magnificent 4D sky showcase. A living live performance of Southeast Asia's longest eco-friendly fireworks with drones and pyrotechnics. In remembrance of Her Majesty the Queen Mother of Thailand. Dive into fantastic nights of limitless entertainment along the spectacular Chao Phraya River. Transforming River Park into the largest dance arena beside the stunning riverfront. Enjoy unforgettable performances from 200 top Thai artists. Be part of the magical countdown night with world-class artist Mark Tuan. Save your day the 27th to the 31st this December at River Park, ICONSIAM.